Hello friends, today we're gonna pick this pepper, remove the seeds and propagate it so we can have new seedlings for transplant. All of that is coming up. So guys, continue watching and please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. So guys, now that I have this pepper, what I'm gonna do is just to cut open the pod and reveal the seeds. Very healthy pepper, so I'm expecting it to have a good amount of seeds. Alright, let's open it and see the amount that is inside. Alright, so we have a good amount of seeds inside here. As a result, we should have good amount of seedlings after germination, provided that they all grow. So guys, I'm just removing these seeds from this pod right now in preparation for sowing in a container that is provided. So right now, an estimation, there's close to 2 dozen seeds in this pod. So after sowing, I'm hoping that we could get at least a dozen from that because we know that not all the seeds will grow. So here we have it guys, all the seeds have been removed. Just look at them. Beautiful, isn't it? Healthy seeds. So what we will be doing now guys is to actually place these seeds into this container right here. We want to ensure that we space them evenly in the pot so that at the point of germination, they will not be clustered. Okay, so we're just gonna cover them lightly. We don't want to put too much soil. Alright, so there you have it. Lightly covered. And now we're gonna pour some water to give the soil some moisture. After which we're gonna place it in an area for the seeds to germinate. So guys, after a week, this is what is happening. A lot of seeds start germinating. It's now day 12 and they're a little bit thick. So what I will do next is to move them into another container. So look out for that video coming up shortly.